Château Aubryon, 1959. Magnificent wine. I love French wine. Like I love the French language. I have sampled every language. French is my favorite. Fantastic language. Especially to curse with.
The Merovingian knot, also known as the deity knot, is a stylish and sophisticated way to tie your necktie. Made popular by the enigmatic character from The Matrix Reloaded. It's a knot that commands attention and adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Now let's break down how to tie the Merovingian knot. We've mirrored this next video for you to easily follow along from home.